Hello children, welcome to the online teaching session of class 5. Today I will give you chapter 15 Towards Freedom question answer in social studies. First question is, how was trade with India profitable for the East India Company? The answer is, the company bought goods cheaply from India and sold them abroad at high prices. This resulted in huge profits for the company. Question number 2. How did British exploit the farmers? Answer is point 1. The farmers were made to pay very high taxes even during floods and droughts. Point 2. They were forced to grow indigo and cotton, which were bought at very low rates and sold at very high rates in England. 3. Thus farmers became poorer and many died due to starvation. Question number 3. Which factor sparkled the first war of independence? Answer is, when a new rifle called Enfield was introduced in India, a rumor spread that the grease in the bullets was made from the fats of cows and pigs. The soldiers had to bite off the greased wrapper of the bullets before loading the rifle. This was against the sentiments of both Hindu and Muslim soldiers. They refused to use these rifles and revolted. Question number 4. What helped the British to suppress the first war of independence? Answer number 4. Many factors were responsible for the failure of the revolt. First point, it did not spread to all parts of India. Second point, soldiers did not have enough money and good weapons. Third point, the revolt was not organized properly. Now, fifth question, how did modern education led to the rise of nationalism in India? Answer number 5, educated Indians realized that the British wanted to keep India poor and backward. This realization united the Indians. Slowly, the feeling of unity and nationalism grew stronger and resulted in the formation of the Indian National Congress in 1885. So children, write neatly these question answers in your social studies copy. Thank you and have a nice day.